what's up, Prep fam? So today I just wanted to show you guys how to go through some of the maintenance on our embroidery machines. So we have the Melco EMT 16Xs, and we have 2 of them. So right now I'll just show you what would be the weekly maintenance slash anywhere from 20 to 40,000 stitches, give or take. You can, they say 20,000, but you can make it to 40, and then the machine will be perfectly fine. And so right here, we'll go to the Melco software, and you click settings, and you click on the wrench and the screwdriver. So you've got weekly, monthly, and I think every couple months, and then yearly. In the advanced version of the software, they do have the timers that you can look at, but in this simplified version, this is what it comes up with, and it just shows you when things need to be done, and you can check the timers to see when they actually need to be done, because right now these 2 do not need to be done, but this one does. So we'll click on the maintenance, and right now it'll tell you just to follow all the proper instructions and just to be safe. So they say it should be cleaned every 4 to 5 hours of operation, and that would also just depend on, again, how many stitches you are doing. So it says to remove the bobbin case. So we come to the machine, and right here in the front is where the bobbin sits. So we'll open this up, and we will pull out the bobbin case. This holds the bobbin for when the machine is sewing. Come back here, click next. And so we need to blow all of the excess thread off of the bobbin case. So right now it's actually not that bad, and we have 2 different things. We have canned air, which is sometimes a little better, but we also bought this just blower off of Amazon. It just blows air. It works good, but not as great as this compressed air. And so we'll just blow it out, try to get as much thread and thread pieces out of there as possible. And I'm not sure how well you can see, but the thread trimmer goes in and out in this step to get as much of the excess thread out of there as we can, and all the dust too. So we'll click next, and now we have to apply oil. This keeps the machine running and from smoking, because this part down here, it moves back and forth really fast with the bobbin case, and so metal to metal running together, it's not always go great. So we apply just a little bit of oil, just a little drop that just runs down this little edge right here, if you can see that. Just apply 1 drop, get it to beat up a little bit, and then we'll go back to the machine, click next. They say to put the bobbin and make the thread about 2 to 3 inches, but as long as we have it just sticking out of the top just a little bit, we'll insert it back into the machine, pull that back up, click next, and now we're finished.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. The Melco machine has been a great addition to the business, and we'll be having some more maintenance and how-to videos on the Melco coming out. So if you have any specific questions, make sure you ask those down in the comments. I know already it looks like Jacob's got recorded adding thread, a little walk around on the software, using the fast clamp, and doing some stuff with hats. So again, if you have any specific questions on the Melco machines, they've been a great addition to the business, and that's kind of Jacob's area of expertise. I cannot run the Melco machine. I don't know how. I ran the SWF when we had it, taught my wife how to use it, then bought the Melco. Now we've got the second Melco. So any questions, he'll be answering, just because I'm trying to build a team of people that can manage the different processes in the business so that I can do my job, they can do theirs. So Jacob will be helping out with the Melco videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.